Ever wonder how top companies cut costs and boost quality at the same time? The secret is Lean and Six Sigma.
Without these methods, businesses face wasteful processes, inconsistent quality, and rising operational costs.
But by applying Lean and Six Sigma, companies streamline workflows, reduce errors, and deliver more value with fewer resources.
Lean focuses on eliminating waste, like excess inventory, delays, or unnecessary steps. Six Sigma tackles variation, using data to improve quality and consistency. For example, a factory might use Lean to redesign its floor layout for faster flow, while Six Sigma ensures each product meets exact quality standards.
Lean and Six Sigma aren't just tools. They're a powerful combination for efficiency, quality, and lasting competitiveness.